In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert deals to quotes in Zoho CRM. We'll walk through the native manual way to link a brand new quote directly to an existing deal, using the related list in the deal record. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to fill out so your quotes stay properly tied to the right opportunities in your pipeline. Let's get started inside your Zoho CRM account. First, go to the Deals module. You'll find this in the main navigation bar at the top of your screen. Click on Deals, then open the specific deal record that you want to create a quote for. This should be the opportunity you've already qualified and for which you're now ready to send pricing to your customer. Once the deal record is open, you'll see a layout with different sections and a sidebar. On the left-hand side, there's a list of related modules such as activities, attachments, and others. In that left sidebar, scroll down until you find the section labeled Quotes. This related list is where all quotes associated with this particular deal will be stored. Within the Quotes section, look for the button that lets you add a new quote. It will usually appear as a plus sign with the label New. Go ahead and click on New. Zoho CRM will now open a fresh quote creation form, already contextually tied to the deal you were just viewing. On this quote form, enter all the details you need. This typically includes the quote name, the account or contact it's for, the products or services, quantities, prices, taxes, and any discount information. Make sure the deal field is either auto-filled or correctly linked to the deal you opened earlier, so the relationship between the deal and the quote remains accurate. Take a moment to review things like currency, validity dates, and any custom fields your organization might be using, such as payment terms or delivery notes. The more accurate and complete this information is, the easier it will be for your sales team and for your customer to understand the quote. When you're happy with everything, click Save. Zoho CRM will now create the quote and automatically link it to the deal through the quotes related list. You'll be taken either to the newly created quote record or you'll see it appear in the quotes section of the deal. That's all there is to it. By using the related list inside the deal record, you keep your quotes organized, ensure clear traceability, and maintain a clean relationship between each opportunity and the pricing you've proposed.